So it's been a while since I made one of these videos, but I am at Penn Station with one of my friends. There was a homeless man behind us, so he just ran away. But there he is. This is my friend Sumant.
Congratulations on graduation.
Yeah, and we just had a graduation ceremony, and we came to Penn Station to look at that. That is in Columbia Blue, and it'll be like this for I don't know how long, but yeah, that's for all the graduating Columbia students. And we figured we'll come here and just have a look at that. There's a bunch of parties happening everywhere around this area.
230 rooftop.
What?
It's 230 or 234 rooftop.
235th rooftop. Yeah, I think there's a party there happening as well, but I don't know if we can make it there. But yeah, it is nice and lively out here as usual. I think I've made
the best tacos, Lost Tacos.
the what?
Lost Tacos has the best tacos.
Oh, so Sumant says that Last Tacos number one is the. I mean, it's number one for a reason, then I guess. But yeah. So, introduce yourself, Sumant.
I'm Sumant.
I mean, yeah, we've established that. Yes.
I think I've just graduated.
You
We
think?
both graduated in January.
You think, or you actually did?
No, we did. We are just relieving because we graduated in December and now it's Jan. We came for the walk.
Yeah. There's also a lot of police presence here. Good or bad, I don't know. Probably good for us, but yeah. So yeah, Sumant, over to you again.
I used to do comedy back in India, and
Now life is a comedy.
now life has become a comedy.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's all you want to tell
That's it.
about yourself. Nothing else.
Nothing special as of now.
But wait, where are we going?
You tell. We'll go till.
You said we'll come to Penn Station.
We'll go to Empire State Building.
But the farther away we are from it, the better we can see it, right?
Yeah, we'll take.
I mean, even the sky is blue because
We'll
of
try
the
that rooftop if we can get into it.
235th
Yeah,
West.
It's nearby only.
It is nearby. I doubt if we
Yeah,
can.
we'll try. If they say no, it's okay.
Okay, cool.
Or then we didn't have a dinner, no? We'll have a taco or we can
Taco,
go to
okay.
Korean town.
Which town?
Korean town. Stay town.
Oh. Have you been there before?
Yeah, dude.
What did you try?
And
BDC tofu, the
What?
Korean hot pot.
Oh, okay. You've been there.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
I love it.
Okay. They have a lot of beef. You don't eat beef.
No, there is a BDC tofu have a seafood hot pot.
Seafood hot pot.
Yeah. Not
Okay.
the barbecue. It's hot pot. It's like a soup and they'll put lot of vegetables and lot of.
There's a
Arre,
bunch
we should get a
we-
regalia
Yeah, we
before-
should have gotten our regalia and actually gotten a picture.
सुबह से हम पहन के जा
We've
रहे
been
हैं।
wearing this thing since morning, but we haven't. We didn't have
जब
the.
रूफटॉप जाना था तभी नहीं लेके आए।
Yeah, we should have gotten our regalia, but we didn't. It's okay. We're here now. Nobody will know we're Columbia students. But so where do we go from here? Anyway, but this is it's oddly cold here now. It's the end of May, almost June. I don't know what's happening. So I'm wearing a jacket. It feels like it's March or February, even though it was like summertime hot just a few days back. But yeah, there's a lot of police activity here. I guess it's probably because of Columbia folks graduating or I don't know. What are you looking at? It's to the right. I think it was on 28th Street.
Broadway.
Yeah, it is on Broadway, but 28th. I remember walking a little
27th.
27th and 28th. But
So warm.
so Sumant is a public policy student. He was in SEPA, and I was also in SEPA studying there. I mean, in the libraries, but yeah. Things are close. It is actually 10 p.m. right now, so we're sort of late. Sumant is applying for jobs, so he has an interview in a few days. So I was just we did a mock interview together, and yeah, we came here right after. But I think I might make one more because it's at 6 or 7 minutes, so I will close this. And as always, I don't edit, crop, do anything cosmetic for my videos. It's just as there's some street drama happening.
You think like you gotta talk, we gotta listen to you.
That's a fun time. That's very New York. But anyway, I was saying I don't do anything to my videos. I'll upload this one right away and probably make another one with all the things we're doing tonight. Bye.